Hey, my name's shawnshawn. Today we're going to check out the 5 worst things about the MOCA.
So one of the probably top 5 things about the museum is it is in a dangerous neighborhood. There is no covered parking, so although those can usually be more open to crime than open lot parking lot. So it's an open lot parking lot. The police are close by, and I guess you're safe, but you know, it is one of the worst neighborhoods of Miami. So if you came here for a little bit of art history on contemporary art, like from say the early 20th century with Picasso starting around that area up to 21st century, there is nothing in this museum. It's kind of just jump in one straight artist or one straight group show. No exactly connection with the past with the permanent exhibitions, so that's probably one of the shortfalls of the museum. So another shortfall of the museum would be the very small gift shop. It was a very small room. You can still pack a lot of stuff in there, but I noticed a trend in a lot of new art museums is they really don't have any art books anymore, which that's primarily why I go to a gift shop. As an artist, I want to go see if they have some really cool art books to collect as, you know, a really cool artist or a previous artist that was there and they have a really cool art book. I think there was there may be 3 books there, and I kind of flipped through them. Nothing to see, but it would have been nice to have much more stronger art book collection for the gift shop besides toys and kind of stuff for your beginning kid, kind of first time visitor. So one of the small downsides to the museum is there's no classic museum cafe with a little sandwich, a little coffee to eat while you take a break between different parts of the exhibition. It is a smaller museum, so they don't really need a really cafe. They probably couldn't justify it. And additionally, there's a nice cafe next door that's a little bustling. It's independent, so they don't have to manage it. So that makes sense for the museum, I think. So that concludes the worst 5 things about the MOCA. I overall like the museum, but it is a little skimpy on there's no permanent collection, there's no cafe, and you know, it's small. If you want to spend all day there in that museum, you're not going to do it. It's only like maybe an hour or so. People that are really intense studies of art history and really want to learn a lot, you're not going to have that experience here. You are going to have a really nice, well-rounded, in-depth look at one artist or one group show, which is really cool if you know art history already. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching, guys.